Hey, Bongegile here, bringing you the latest updates. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you do not miss anything I upload. Actress, singer, and dancer Brenda Mhlongo has been performing on our screens for a long time, and talented star has joined eTV soap Imbewu. Brenda Mhlongo will play viewers' favorite KamaDonsela, which was played by Fundiswa Zwane. The show, shot in KwaZulu-Natal, is currently watched by over 3 million people. KamaDonsela is at a crossroad as things head towards reaching a boiling point between her, Mazulu, and Thokozile. A ritual that has gone wrong and a trail of betrayal will all linger as heavy as thick smoke in the air. Mhlongo is excited to join the show. The character of KamaDonsela is another exciting factor for me because I love being challenged with any role I have to play. She is Mfundisi, a pastor's wife, which is someone who will have completely different qualities to who I am in real life. To have the chance to experience that contrast and bring the character to life how I see fit has been quite the experience. Helga Palmer, eTV head of local productions, wished Mhlongo all the best with the channel. Mhlongo recently appeared on Mzansi Magic, the Queen, playing Zodwa, who went from supervising her son's Shaka relationship with the mother of his child Mabato to being a grief-stricken mother after his death.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Till we meet again. Bye.